in that video, and we have them connected together with this one monitoring voltage so we can see what the output voltage is. When set to ohms, the output voltage on the leads of this meter is 2.7. Switching it to continuity, the output is 7.3.
Higher voltage, more pressure.
Changing it to diode function, it's still 7.3. The meter's currently set to continuity. Connecting our leads gives us a reading of about 300 ohms. Changing it to diode function by pressing the yellow button, we have a reading of 0.3 volts.
Equivalent.